You snore. Your dentist has never once asked about your breathing. That's a problem. Where your lower jaw sits changes how much room your throat has when you lie down. If it sits back, that space gets tighter, and that's linked to snoring and sleep apnea. Most dentists look at teeth. Breathing is a completely separate conversation, and it almost never comes up. We screen every new patient for it, and snoring isn't even the first sign. The first sign shows up during the day. Follow if you want a healthy mouth and more longevity-based tips.